This video is in continuation to my earlier video on Prahlada Charitram, that is chapter 24 of Narayaniyam. In this video, we will be seeing slokas 6 to 10. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloka number 6. अदीदेषु श्रेष्ठं किमिति परिपृष्टेथ तनये भवद्भक्तिं वर्याम् अभिगदति पर्याकुलधृती गुरुभ्यो रोषित्वा सहजमतिरस्येत्यभिविदन् वधो वायानस्मिन् व्यतनुत भवत्पादचरणे Adideshu Sreshtam Kim. What is the best among what you have learned? Idi Prajipishte. Thus, when asked by Hiranyakashipu, Adha Taniye, then your son Prahlada replied, Bhavad Bhaktim Varyam Abhigadati, devotion to thee as the greatest. Paryagula Dhridihi. Then, hearing this, agitated he, Hiranyakashipu, Gurubhyaha Roshitva, got angry with the teachers and Idhi Abhividan, thus understanding, Sahajamadihi Asya, this is his natural inclination, Asmin Vedanuta Vathopayan. Then Hiranyakashipu planned means of killing him, Prahlada, Bhavat Padasharani, who has taken refuge at your lotus feet. Meaning, on being asked about what was the best that he had learnt, Prahlada answered that devotion to thee was the greatest. Agitated at this, Hiranyakasipu was very angry with the teachers, but they told him that this was his son's natural inclination. At this, he started planning ways to kill Prahlada, who was thy great devotee, having taken refuge at thy feet. सशूलैराविद्धः सुबहुमतितो दिग्गजगणैः महासर्पैर्दष्टोऽपि अनशनगराहारविदुद गिरीन्द्रावक्षिप्तोऽप्यहः परमात्मन्नयि विभो त्वयि न्यस्तात्मत्वाद् किमपि न निबीडामभजत. Saha Prahlada Shulairaviddaha Subahu, pierced by tridents many times. Madhida Diggajaganai, he trampled upon by herds of huge elephants. Mahasarpaihi Dashtraha, that is bitten by huge snakes. Abhi Anashan, and also going without food, that is starving. Gara Ahara Vidudha, tormented by poisoned food. Girindaha avashiptaha, that is thrown down from high mountains. Abhi ahaha, even then, what a wonder. Paratmanai vipo, O all-pervading Supreme Being, Toi nesta atmatvad, having surrendered himself unto thee, Kim abhina nibidam abhajat, did not feel any kind of suffering. Meaning, O all-pervading Supreme Being, what a wonder! Though he was pierced with tridents many times, trampled again and again by herds of huge elephants, bitten by great serpents, starved, poisoned and thrown down from the mountain peaks, he did not feel any suffering as his mind was completely fixed on thee. तदशङ्गाविष्टः स पुनरधिदृष्टोऽस्य जनगो गुरुक्त्या तद्गेहे किल वरुणपाशैस्तमरुणत् गुरुश्च सान्निध्ये स पुनरनुगान् दैत्यतनयान् भवद्भक्तेस्तत्त्वं परममभिविज्ञानमशिषत् ततः शङ्का आविष्टः स पुनः. Then being frightened by his cruel father again, Guru Uktya Tadgehe Kila, following the advice of the teacher, in teacher's house itself, Tama Arunad tied him up Varunapashaihi with ropes. Guroho cha asannidye, and when the teachers were not present, Sapunaha, he Prahlada again, Anugan Daityatanayan, the Asura boys who were with him, Ashishad taught. Bhavad Bhakte Tattvam, the real nature of devotion to thee, Paramam Abhivichanam, and also the supreme knowledge. Meaning, the very cruel father was frightened at this. At the advice of the teacher, Prahlada was tied up with ropes at the teacher's house. But whenever the teachers were away, Prahlada began to teach the Asura boys who were with him the doctrine of love for and the knowledge of thee. पिता शृण्वन् बालप्रकरमखिलं त्वल्स्तुतिपरं रुषान्तप्राहैनं कुलहदग कस्ते बलमिति बलं मे वैकुण्ठः तव च जगदां चाभिसबलं स एव त्रैलोक्यं सकलमिति धीरोऽयमगदीत्. पिता शृण्वन्, the father Hiranyakashipu, now hearing Balaprakaram Akhilam from all the groups of boys, Tvadu Sudiparam, are intent on singing thy praise, Rushandaha, blinded by rage, Praha Enam, asked Prahlada, Kulahadaha ka te balamidi, O traitor of our race, who is your strength, who is your support? Balam me Vaikuntaha, my strength is Vishnu, Tavacha Jagadam cha Abhisabalam, and yours and all the whole universe also he is the strength. Sa eva Trailokyam Sagalam Idi Dhira Ayam Agatid, he alone is the three worlds as a whole. Thus the courageous and wise boy replied. Meaning, hearing that all the boys were now singing thy praise, Hiranyakashipu became blind with rage. He shouted at Prahlada that the traitor that he was, who was his strength? That courageous boy replied that Lord Vishnu was his strength, in as much as he was also his, that is father's strength, and of the whole universe. Also that the three worlds were his manifestation indeed. Next slogam. Are kwasau sagala jagadatma hariridi prabhinde smastambam chalida karavalo didisuda ada pachad vishno nahi vadidumisho smi sahasa कृपात्मन् विश्वात्मन् पवनपुरवासिन् मृडयमाम्. Are ka asau, oh, where is he, where is he? Sagala Jagada Atma Harihi, the soul of all the words, that Hari, Idi, thus saying, Prabhindesmastambham, struck at a pillar, Chalidagaravalaha, brandishing his sword, Didisudaha, the son of Didi, Hiranyakashipu, Adha Pakshad, thereafter, what happened? Vishnu, oh Vishnu, Hare, Nahi Vadidumisha Asmi Sakasa, oh Lord, I am not able to say anything immediately. Kripatman, O all merciful. Vishwatman, O supreme Atman. Pavanapuravasin, O Guruvayurappa, Mridayamam, deign to make me whole. Meaning, oh, where is he? Where is he? Whom you say is the soul of all the worlds, who is known as Hari, the son of Didi, asking thus, struck the pillar, brandishing the sword. Oh Vishnu, oh Guruvayurappa, what happened then I am unable to describe. Oh merciful Guruvayurappa, all providing God, deign to make me whole. Here, as I have mentioned in the introductory video of this channel Krishnarpanam, that is video number 1, Sri Narayana Bhattadiri had many promptings from inside Sri Lagam on several occasions during his chanting of Narayaniyam, that is, from Sri Guruvayurappa himself. It is said that this Prahlada too had such an instance, that is, when Sri Bhattadiri told, as explained before, Nahi Vadadumisha, I am unable to explain by words that form of Narsimha, Hare, then how can I, Unikrishna, I'll explain you in that Ugra Narasimha Rupa, Hare Bhagavan. Then, hearing this, Krishna just appeared in Bhattadiri's vision in that Rupam, and that Durvara Gurvaravam, that is, fierce roars also could be heard. And that Narasimha Rupa, explanation by Sri Bhattadiri, given by Sri Bhattadiri, is in the coming chapter as exactly what he had seen in his vision. With this sloka, this chapter 24 of Prahlada Charitram is completed, and the next 25th will be Narasimha Avtara. To end this, we will chant the sloka which Prahlada had educated the co-students about Sri Hari, about Bhakti. Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmanivedanam. Hari Om.